These quotes will change your life. Taking responsibility, practicing 100% responsibility every day, is about seeing ourselves not as right or wrong, but as an agent, chooser, problem solver, and learner in the complex interrelationships of our lives so that we can better integrate with the people and world around us. When we do this, we enjoy a better and more productive way to live and lead. By Christopher Avery. Simplicity requires a two-step process. First, we must invest time and energy to discover what stirs us as human beings, what makes our hearts sing, and what brings us joy. Then, we must proceed to create a life that reflects the unique people we truly are. This is the heart and soul of simplicity. By Linda Breen Pierce. We have three roles here on earth: to learn, to love, and to live. When we stop learning, we start to stagnate and die. When we stop loving, we lose our sense of purpose and become self-centered. When we limit our living, we deny the world the benefits of our talents. By Jim Cathcart. A life portfolio offers a compelling alternative to traditional retirement. It is a new way of thinking and living in extended middle age. A typical portfolio is a balanced mix of some work, ongoing learning, recreation, travel, avocations, reconnecting with family and friends, and giving back. By Michael Jeans. Most of those who have succeeded in life can trace their success back to the essential education they obtained from parents, teachers, and their friends. By T. Ralph Alani. The foundation stones of honesty, character, faith, integrity, love, and loyalty are necessary for a balanced success that includes health, wealth, and happiness. As you go onward and upward in life, you will discover that if you compromise any of these principles, you will end up with only a beggar's portion of what life has to offer. By Zig Ziglar. You yourself, not someone else, need to determine where you want to go and what you want to do in your life. And once you make that decision, you can begin mapping a plan to get there and focusing on that objective every single day. By Squire Rushnell. Every day, think as you wake up, today I am fortunate to be alive, I have a precious human life, and I am not going to waste it. I am going to use all my energies to develop myself, expand my heart to others, to achieve enlightenment for the benefit of all beings. I am going to have kind thoughts toward others. I am not going to get angry or think badly about others. I am going to benefit others as much as I can. By Dalai Lama. Life is a gamble from minute to minute, so play it today for all there is in it. The flick of an eyelash, the quirk of a smile. A good deed here and there makes it all worthwhile. So make life a garden for every day and gather your rosebuds while you may. By P. MacDonald. Oftentimes in life, what is easy to do is not worth it. Sure, crashing on the couch and watching the newest episode of your favorite show is a pleasurable experience, but it is bad input and it will not help you advance much on the road to success. By Amar Hazek. No matter how much you may think that recounting issues that have caused you problems over the last few years will not help you to move towards creating a better or a new life. By Catherine Pulsifer. If you are in retirement or are starting to look forward to it, we have some good news for you. Turns out the peak ages for happiness are later in life. By Patrick Foley. A friend and I were talking about the control that comes with thinking life is as it should be with us in it. But the truth is, life is exactly planned. By Cara Tippett. If you strive for perfect love, you will learn to see the face of God in your spouse, your children, and your fellow human. This should be our goal as humankind. By Dolores Aya. If you learn to develop an abundant mentality, you will not be envious of others, you will celebrate their successes, and you will share in their joys and pains. Don't see life as a competition, but as complementary. By Bernard Kelvin Clive. Winning is not necessarily finishing first, but finishing well, to the best of your God-given abilities. When you embrace this concept in your life, you will be relieved from the stress of competing to finish first, to win in life. By Dr. Ignatius K. Although it's true you have little control over most of what happens in the world, you have tremendous influence over your experience of the events and circumstances of your life. By Molly Apple. One of the most important secrets of life that will be more contented is the act of gratitude and being grateful for the things you have in your life. It is so natural to get caught on the continually needing more preparation that we don't stop welcoming the things that we have now. By Adam Green. To get where we want to go in life, we have to keep at it. We have to create a vision, make choices based on what moves us most swiftly toward our goals, and go after them with determination and single-mindedness. By Stedman Graham. Our brains have the ability and capacity to continue learning for the majority of our lives. If we can just keep pushing forward, the answers to life will present themselves. By Philip Crone. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.